I, Dr. Akankwasah Barirega, solemnly affirm.
When Dr. Barirega took office in 2021, National Environment Management Authority had limited staff, few operational vehicles, and newly enacted laws awaiting implementation.
So help me Allah.
5 years later, the institution has undergone major reforms and strengthened its ability to protect Uganda's environment.
It's been 5 years of reforms, of successes, of lessons, of challenges, of overcoming obstacles. But I must thank God that we are here.
One of his first tasks was implementing the National Environment Act and regulations introduced shortly before the COVID-19 pandemic. Under his leadership, Uganda developed air quality, chemical safety, and environment protection force regulations.
When the act was enacted in 2019, 2020, 2021, that's when we had COVID, so there was literally no implementation. So I had an opportunity to begin fresh implementation of most of the instruments that I found. National Environment Act 2019, Environment and Social Impact Assessment Regulations 2020, Audit Regulations, all of those I found them fresh, new legislations. And so I had a firm foundation.
NEMA also restructured its operations and expanded its workforce to improve service delivery nationwide. New departments were created, including a compliance assistance division that prioritizes guidance before enforcement.
Where instead of going to arrest investors for non-compliance, we go to guide them on how to be compliant. Instead of condemning the wananchi for destroying environment, we go to educate them how to save the environment.
The authority also embraced technology, allowing environmental applications, payments and approvals to be processed online. Regional offices were also established in Hoima, Mbale, Lira and Mbarara to bring services closer to communities. Enforcement operations intensified against wetland encroachment, illegal developments, and environmental degradation across several parts of Uganda. Government support helped NEMA improve logistics, staffing, and field operations.
You are able now to apply online for your environment and social impact assessment certificate or environment audit. You pay online, follow up online, receive your certificate online. So literally, Ugandans and all people living in Uganda can receive services from NEMA without coming to NEMA.
NEMA says environmental indicators are beginning to show positive results from conservation and restoration efforts. Forest cover has increased, while wetland recovery continues through ongoing restoration programs.
In Africa, Uganda now is ranked #1 in terms of sustainable management of wetlands. We are top in Africa and third in the whole world.
Air quality management has also received greater attention through monitoring and new regulatory standards. NEMA says Uganda's national air quality has improved significantly over the last 5 years.
Our particulate matter, what we call a measure of air quality, using a parameter called the particulate matter of 2.5 millimeters, has improved from 35 micrograms per cubic meter 5 years ago to 13 micrograms per cubic meter. The World Health Organization ranks that as good. A European Union, just to give you a comparison, a European Union standard is now 25 micrograms per cubic meter.
Institutional performance has equally improved through increased assessments, audits, prosecutions, and revenue collection. The reinstated National Environment Fund has accumulated billions of shillings for environmental restoration projects. Despite the gains, challenges remain. Population growth, urbanization, waste management, and environmental awareness continue to put pressure on natural resources.
Whether you are an industrialist, whether you are an investor, whether you are a small-scale business entrepreneur, always think about three things: people, planet, and then your profit. Don't only aim at your profit, irrespective of the circumstances, irrespective of repercussions on the other P.
As NEMA looks ahead, restoring ecosystems, strengthening enforcement, and promoting sustainable development remain top on their priorities. For Dr. Barirega, the journey has been about building a stronger institution and a more environmentally conscious nation. Henry Okrut, UBC.